Step into the world of bananas. In our new video, we'll uncover the incredible benefits of this fruit for your health and well-being. From boosting brain function to strengthening the heart and even aiding in hangover recovery, bananas are true champions in providing your body with everything it needs. Don't miss the chance to learn more about why bananas are so popular and how they can change your life for the better. 1. Brain boost. Bananas contain a unique combination of nutrients that support cognitive function, including vitamin B6, potassium, and natural sugars. This trio enhances neurotransmitter synthesis, promoting focus, concentration, and overall brain health. 2. Hangover helper. Bananas can come to the rescue after a night of indulgence. Rich in potassium, they help replenish electrolytes lost due to alcohol's diuretic effect, easing headaches and nausea while providing a gentle energy lift. 3. Stress buster. Bananas are a natural stress reliever thanks to their high levels of tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in serotonin production. Serotonin helps regulate mood and promotes relaxation, making bananas a soothing snack during tense moments. 4. Bone builder. Beyond their potassium prowess, bananas boast an often overlooked bone-building benefit. They contain prebiotic fructooligosaccharides, which enhance the absorption of calcium and magnesium, essential minerals for bone strength. 5. Skin savior. Bananas can work wonders for your skin, both when eaten and applied topically. Their vitamin C content supports collagen production, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful complexion. Additionally, mashed banana masks can hydrate and nourish dry, dull skin. 6. Hangry antidote. Bananas are a perfect snack for curbing hangry cravings. Their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, while the fiber content helps keep hunger pangs at bay, ensuring a satisfied tummy until your next meal. 7. Allergy ally. Bananas contain compounds that may help alleviate allergy symptoms. Quercetin, a natural antihistamine found in bananas, can reduce inflammation and histamine release, offering relief from seasonal allergies and allergic reactions. 8. Heart harmony. Bananas contribute to heart health in unexpected ways. Their rich potassium content helps regulate heartbeat and blood pressure, but they also contain compounds like dopamine and serotonin, which support cardiovascular function and may reduce the risk of heart disease. 9. Muscle recovery. Bananas make an ideal post-exercise snack for muscle recovery. Their high potassium content helps prevent cramps and aids in muscle repair, while the natural sugars replenish glycogen stores, restoring energy levels after a workout. 10. Gut guardian. Bananas are gentle on the stomach and can